Photoshop. If you want to follow along, you can download the watermark previews or license the full resolution files from Adobe Stock. You can find the links to these images right below this video in the description. We're going to start out with these two layers, the photo frame background and the snow border. I have them on two separate layers, of course. Down, click on the bottom right corner, and then click on the bottom left corner. I'm going to hold the space bar again, click and drag to pan up, and complete that path. Now the color of the shape really doesn't matter, so I'm just going to make it red just so that you can see it. There it is, red. What I'm going to do now is enable the layer of the snow border. I'm going to click and drag her up to the top of the layers panel. And I'm also going to double tap here on the zoom tool just so we can see the image at 100%. And actually, now that I'm looking at it at 100%, I'm actually going to right click on it and choose fit on screen so that I can see the entire composition. Then I'm going to now you don't have to be very precise at this moment. You can just click and drag and we'll worry about the details later. So we're just going to select her as quick as we can. So I'm just clicking and dragging. And notice that my selection is not and you move one of those layers, but then keep those two layers together. What I'm going to do now is press Ctrl T, Command T to transform, to scale this and adjust it accordingly. If you can't see the corner handles that you want to click and drag on, you can press Ctrl 0, that's Command 0 on the Mac, for the bird's eye view that allows you to see all four corner handles. Then I'm going to click and drag on this one here to scale it down. I'm holding Shift, Alt, that's Shift, Option on the Mac. Now at this point, you can go back and adjust the layer mask if we need to. So I'm going to zoom in just so we can see the area line around her body. So we can adjust that by clicking on the layer mask in the properties panel. You can click on mask edge. If you don't see the properties panel, you can and then maybe shift edge with a negative value and see how that's adjusted. So keep adjusting it and making sure that that line is gone, but we don't lose any detail that we want to keep. Also, with this brush selected, I can click and drag here on the hair. And hopefully we'll get a better selection. Now, I didn't do that good of a job here, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and then I can come back with the brush tool and fix that in a moment. So I'm gonna press OK, click on the brush tool, paint with white in areas that I want to keep. So I'm just gonna paint with white in these areas here. And to get rid and I'm not going to take the time to do so now. I will do that after the tutorial. You can see the final image, but I'm just going to go around the entire image and just make sure that everything is masked out accordingly. And in most of these areas, everything needs to be okay. I know we got to work on this area here and like composite look much more realistic and much more interesting. So from the Adobe Stock library, I downloaded two elements we're going to use. We're going to use this shovel with snow, so let me just double click on that to open that up. And by the way, the links to the drag this one over to the left a little bit. I'm looking at the edges here, and maybe drag this one to the left as well, and press OK. Now, what I'm going to do now is click on the brush tool, select black as my foreground color, so I can click on black. I'm going to increase the size of my brush by clicking on the right bracket key on the keyboard, and I'm just going to paint. Again, you don't have to be very accurate. As long as you get close enough, it should be good. And I'm just painting these pixels away, which represent 4. And once panel, on the background layer, which is the only layer that we have in this document, I'm going to click on the new layer mask icon, and notice now the floor is no longer there. Now, it's not a perfect selection, but it's going to work because the color of the floor and the color of the table are very similar colors, and I think we're going to be able to get away with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply click on the layer and releasing, and there's our file. It's a really big layer, so we're going to need to scale it down. Control T, Command T on the Mac to transform. We can't see the corner handles, so I'm going to press Control 0, Command 0 on the Mac. There's the corner handles. And now I'm going to adjust them accordingly. I'm holding Shift as I'm clicking on these corner handles on the screen. Then I'm going to press the V on the keyboard get the move tool, and maybe I can move it around if I need to. And I'm gonna click on the new group icon to create a new group. I'm gonna click and drag this snow layer in there. I'm gonna collapse it, and now it's in that group. Next, then with the brush tool, I can click with white on this layer mask to start revealing some of that snow. So I'm gonna use the bracket keys on the keyboard as I work to increase and decrease the size of my brush snow a little bit better. Maybe something like that. What we're gonna do now is work with different elements. So I'm gonna open up the libraries panel, or also download it from Adobe Stock. By the way, if you don't have Photoshop CC, you won't have the libraries panel, but you can still download the watermark previews onto your desktop and bring them into Photoshop as you would any other image. So you can still work with the previews. So what I'm gonna do now is just select one of these elements.